8, 2020, effective until 3:49 p.m. A Florida amber alert has been issued for Randi, Canion, who's last seen in the area of the 7,800 block of North Bay Shore Drive in Miami, Florida. Randi has her hairstyle in box braids. The child may be in the company of an unidentified white male. They may be traveling in a white van. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this